Hi everyone, here I've got MEIZU 16th, and let me show you how to record the screen. So the only thing you have to do is simply unroll the top bar and do it the second time. And as you can see here we've got the screen recording icon. So simply tap on it. As you can see, now we've got a bar. Here you can change some settings, for example clarity, or you can choose to record something from the microphone. And we've got the screen click option. Let me close that. And to start recording, simply click on start record. And from now on the screen is recording. Simply to stop the recording, just click on end. And that's all. As you can see, the screen recording has been saved. You can of course find it in a gallery, so let's open this. As you can see, we've got the new album, the screen videos, so click on it and simply record it. And that's all. This is how you record the screen in MEIZU 16th. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.